Hi, I'm going to tell you about the violin. The violin is the smallest instrument in the string family, and it's also the highest. A lot of people think that the violin sounds like this. Isn't that beautiful? Well, the violin has 4 strings, just like the other string instruments. And we can sometimes play on 2 strings at once, which is another different way of making a sound on the violin. It sounds like this. So that's a really fun song to play that I really love, called Bile Them Cabbage Down. As you're playing the violin, you can play on 1 string or 2 strings and really beautifully slow or nice and fast. And so I'm going to play you one more song that I really like, and it has a little trick in it. So I'm going to see if you can tell how I do the trick. Do you know how I made that sound? I think you saw me do it under my leg. Under there, I plucked the string. So that's a third way we can make a sound on the violin. And all the string instruments, you can do those 3 things too as well. I hope you enjoyed this sound, and I hope you pick the violin.